May I now request Mr. A.K. Agarwala, Dr. Harivansh Chaturvedi and Dr. K.C. Arora to please initiate the Diploma Award ceremony.
Let the candidates be presented.
Sir, I present to you 184 candidates in person for the postgraduate diploma in management, 2 years full-time program, whose names are set out in the list and will be read out by the registrar. These scholars have been examined and found worthy of the award of the diploma. They may be awarded the diploma.
I now read out the names of diploma recipients of the postgraduate diploma in management 2 years full-time program. The recipient scholars may please rise and remain standing till all the names are announced and the exhortation by the senior member Board of Governors BIMTech to the awardees is over. First name is Akansha Arora, Asta Bharara, Mohammad Atif, Abhay Goyal, Abhinav Bajpayee. Please keep standing. Adapa Jyotiraj, Aditi Goyal, Aditya Joseph Nathan, Aditya K. Venkat, Agyapal Singh, Akansha Khar, Akansha Mata, Akash Jain, Akshata Shakar Gaye, Akshay Bose, Akshit Sharma, Aman Khattar, Amisha Gupta, Anant Agarwal, Animesh Taneja, Anjali Goyal, Ankit Saraf, Ankita Ashok Modi, Ankur Gupta, Anapa Reddy, Govardhan Reddy, Anshul Jain, Anubha Anand Mohan Swami, Anushri Jaiswal, Apurva Agarwal, Apurv Pathak, Aparajita Bhatnagar. Aradhya Goyal, Aravapalli Umashankar, Arsh Pava, Atish Dipankar Nanda, Avinash Tiwari, Ayush Manan Vishwakarma, Ayanath Shyamnath, Bharat N.D., Bhavya Sinha, Brijendra Singh Sajwan, Chakshu Gupta, Charu Bansal, Chetali Luthra, Chirag Shrivastava, Deep Bipin Kumar Shah, Deepak Kanan, Dipesh Varghese Isaac, Deepika Agarwal, Devanshi Pathak, Dhruv Gupta, Divya Sin, Gaurav Batra, Gaurav Kamlesh Gupta, Gayatri P.L., Gayatri Srinavasulu Ambati, Gopi Krishna Alwal, Gunika Kochar, Gunjan Kalita, Hassan Saif Hamid, Himanshu Sharma, Hina Khurana, Irene George, Isha Khusro, Jatin Luthra, Jayesh Tulsi Dasani, Jigyasa Gautam. Then Kanika Agarwal, Kartike Garg, Keshav Goyal, Kharhari Tripura Neni, Kiran P. Kishle Saurabh, Kishore Aluri, Kaushik Chadha, Krishna Rameshwar Agarwal, Krishnendu P.N., Kruti Singhal, Mahesh B., Manisha Mishra, Manish Gaur, Mayank Gupta, Melissa Daniel, Mihir Kumar Chaudhary, Milan M., Mitwa Dutt Sharma, Mohit Mehndi Ratta, Mukesh Kumar Dudi, Nakul Satish Chandra Yadav, Nancy Bhatia, Naveen Malik, Navpreet Singh Sachdeva, Nikita Chaudhary, Nilisha Gaur, Nipun Handa, Nipun Agarwal, Nishant Sharma, Nupur Sharma, Onkar Kumar, Palak Jain, Pankaj Gaur, Pawan G, Piyush Kant Singh, Pooja Arora, Prachi Pandey, Prakhar Jain, Parnav Kesri, Prashant Ram Natarajan, Prashant Agarwal, प्रशांत त्यागी, प्रतीक कुमार मल, प्रिया गुप्ता, प्रिया गर्ग, प्रियादर्शनी दास, पुलकित गर्ग, पुलकित गुप्ता, रचित कुरानी, रमित बहल, रश्मि मोहन, रायपल्ली भार्गव अविनाश, रितिका जैन, रितिका महाजन, रोहित चक्रवर्ती, रोमिल दलाल, साहिब प्रीत सिंह साहनी, साय रवि तेजा वेलातुरी, साई गणेश आर, संपदा मुले, संकल सूरी, सत्येंद्र कुमार, सौरभ अरोरा, सौरभ गांगुली, सौरभ गुप्ता, सौरभ विजयवर्गीय, शंकर शेखर, शानूर गांडोक, शैरोन कुंडू, शिल्पी उपाध्याय, शिवांगी, शिविका आनंद, शौनित जयंत हरदास, श्रेष्ठा चटर्जी, सृष्टि वशिष्ठ, श्रुति मित्तल, श्वेता सिंह, सिद्धांत शर्मा, सिद्धार्थ वी पिल्लई, स्नेहा आलूवालिया, सोनाक्षी गोविल, सोनाली सैनी, सौम्यदीप चटर्जी, श्रीवत्सन नटराजन, स्तुति जालान, स्तुति दत्ता मिश्रा, सुब्रत चटर्जी, सुब्रा नील रॉय, सुमित रेखी, सुनीता साहू, सुरेंद्र सिंह, स्वाति राज, तमन्ना महाजन, तन्वी गुप्ता, तनवीर सिंह औलख, तरुण मंगल, तुषार मित्तल, उदित जैन, उपेंद्र पांडे, उत्कर्ष सिंह, वैभव रूसिया, वैभव सक्सेना, वंशिका गुप्ता, विनीत अग्रवाल, विनीत मेनन, वीनूंग जेवियर, विशेष राजा। देन विवेक गुप्ता, विवेक वर्मा, आस्था अग्रवाल, दमनजीत सिंह, नकुल त्यागी, सौम्या जैन, तमोगना रॉय, आशीष अग्रवाल एंड रोहित वर्मा।
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the senior member of the Board of Governors of the Birla Institute of Management Technology, I admit you to the postgraduate diploma in management 2 years full course program and charge you to prove worthy of this diploma in your life and works. Thank you.
The candidates of postgraduate diploma in management program may now please resume their seats.
Sir, I present to you 54 candidates in person for the PGDM Insurance Business Management 2 years full-time program, whose names are set out in the list and will be read out by the registrar. These scholars have been examined and found worthy of the award of the diploma. They may be awarded the diploma.
I now read out the names of diploma recipients of PGDM Insurance Business Management 2 years full-time program. Recipient scholars may please rise and remain standing till all the names are announced and the exhortation by the senior member, Board of Governors, BIMTech, to the awardees is over. So I begin with Aditya Chadha, Amit Kumar, Anjali Bodh, Anjali Rustagi, Ankit Chopra, अंकित गोस्वामी, अंकुर दत्त शर्मा, अर्पण कुमारी, आरुषि बगाती, दीपक शर्मा, गरिमा नंदा, गोविंद वर्मा, हर्षिता पुरांग, हेमलता, कंचन विधानी, के ऐश्वर्या, किशन सिंह बत्रा, मनीषा कंसल, मनोज सिंह, मोहित बेगानी, मोहित रावत, मोहित सहजपाल, मोना बंसल, मोनिका चपारिया, नैन्सी गोयल, नीतिका सोनी, निपुन खुलर, पी वेंकटेश बाबू, पवन पूना, प्रांजल मिश्रा, प्रियंका दास, रीमा शर्मा, रितिका दानी, रोहित जैन, समीर श्रीवास्तव, संजीवनी शर्मा, सौरभ मिश्रा, शंभू कुमार, शिशिर कुमार, श्रेष्ठा कलोनिया, शुभा गोयल, शुभम श्रीवास्तव, सिद्धार्थ के, सोनाली बत्रा, सौरभ सचदेवा, सोनम यशस्वी, सुप्रिया जैन, सुप्रिया शर्मा, तानवी अग्रवाल, विजेंद्र सिंह, गौरव गुप्ता, प्रतीक पांडे, कनिका अनेजा, and last Arjun Malik.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the senior member of the Board of Governors of the Birla Institute of Management and Technology, I admit you to the PGDM Insurance Business Management 2 years full course program and charge you to prove worthy of this diploma in your life and works.
The candidates of PGM Insurance Business Management program may now please resume their seats.
Sir, I present to you 46 candidates in person for the PGDM Retail Management 2 years full-time program, whose names are set out on the list and will be read out by the registrar. These scholars have been examined and found worthy of the award of the diploma. They may be awarded the diploma.
I now read out the names of diploma recipients of the PGDM Retail Management 2 years full-time program. Recipient scholars may please rise on announcement of their name and remain standing till all the names are announced and the exhortation by the senior member Board of Governors BIMTech to the awardees is over. First name is Akshat Mandal, Akshita Sareen, Amitesh Kant Singh, Ankita Singh, Ankur Malhotra, Anubhav Goyal, Anuj Garg, Anupam Bhagwani, Divyanshu Tripathi, Fenjo Sebastian, Harsh Saxena, Ishan Hari, Kapil Batra, Kaushal Kumar, Krishna Sai Anepu, Madhur Sharma, Megha, Mehak Agrawal, Naga Venkata Rama Surya Mandeep Nulu. This is one name. Nakul Chichra, Nikhil Gupta, Parth Garg, Pragya Trivedi, Priya Mukherjee, Pushmeet Singh, Ragini Soni, Rakesh Palani Muthu, Rashi Balyan, Richa Singh, Rishabh Puri, Ritika Dang, Rushi Sharma, Saksham Pal, Sanya Ratan, Sarthak Kaul, Shailesh Seth, Shivam Gupta, Shrestha Midha, Shripriya Maheshwari, Siddhant Jain, Sonali Verma, Tarun Kumar Sood, Udit Bhatnagar, Vardhika Jain, Vishal Rekhere, and Mayank Verma.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the senior member of the Board of Governors of the Birla Institute of Management Technology, I admit you to the PGDM Retail Management 2 years full course program and charge you to prove worthy of this diploma in your life and works.
The candidates of PGDM Retail Management program may now please resume their seats.
Sir, I present to you 56 candidates in person for the PGDM International Business 2 years full-time program, whose names are set out in the list and will be read out by the registrar. These scholars have been examined and found worthy of the award of the diploma. They may be awarded the diploma.
I now read out the names of diploma recipients of the PGDM International Business 2 years full-time program. Recipient scholars may please rise and remain standing till all the names are announced and the exhortation by the senior member Board of Governors BIMTech to the awardees is over. Akash Shrivastava, Ashwin Kishore, Abhav Agrawal, Abhishek Gupta, Abhishek Kumar Verma, Advitya Mahanot, Ajit Singh, Akshay Khurana, Aman Goyal, Ankur Kaushish, Apur Mishra, Arsh Agrawal, Ashish Sangwan, Avnish Asija, Ayush Chawla, Chinmay Modi, Dipakshi, Divyaks Vasisht, I repeat, Gaurav Chauhan, Jai Rajesh Bhai Dodia, Karamjeet Singh, Mitu Sharma, Mehak Dhingra, Mohammad Nazim K.T., Mohit Gupta, Nandini Bansal, Nidhi, Nikhil Kumar, Nishtha Goyal, Naishidha Nikanti, Prabhjot Kaur, Rabia Gill, Ratnesh Kumar Gupta, Rishi Sharma, Ritika Gupta, Rohit Rakhecha, Sachit Bhatia, Sahib Deep Singh Malhotra, Satyamanyu Panda, Saurabh Chadha, Saurabh Soni, Shivani Madhavan, Shubham Gulati, Shubham Shrestha, Shubhashish Sinha, Shiv Naga Vivek Kapa, Saparsh Shrivastava, Supriya Singla, S. Mahaprabhu Tiwari, Tript Sidhu, Vaibhav Jain, Vandita Taneja, Vinay Alag, Vineet Jain, Mayank Kishore Baheti, Vikas Chaudhary, the last.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the senior member of the Board of Governors of the Birla Institute of Management Technology, I admit you to the PGDM International Business 2 years full-time program and charge you to prove worthy of this diploma in your life and works.
The candidates of PGDM International Business Program may now please resume their seats.
Sir, I present to you 12 candidates in person for the PGDM Sustainable Development Practices 2 years full-time program, whose names are set out in the list and will be read out by the registrar. These scholars have been examined and found worthy of the award of the diploma. They may be awarded the diploma.
I now read out the names of diploma recipients of the PGDM Sustainable Development Practices 2 years full-time program. Recipient scholars may please rise and remain standing till all the names are announced and the exhortation by the senior member Board of Governors BIMTech to the awardees is over. First name is Shruti Singh, Satyendra Rana, Kritika Khanduri, Sneha Suman, Arshpreet Kaur, Utkarsh Shrivas, Abhi Nagar, Purushottam Kumar, Aditya Goswami, Ishu Jain, Saurabh Dwivedi, and last Kirti Ranjan.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the senior member of the Board of Governors of the Birla Institute of Management Technology, I admit you to the PGDM Sustainable Development Practices 2 years full-time program and charge you to prove worthy of this diploma in your life and works.
Now I request all the students of PGDM Sustainable Development Practices program, please resume your seats.
Sir, I request you to admit and award diplomas in absentia to the candidates of BEST 2015 who have completed their diploma programs successfully but could not attend the convocation.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the senior member of the Board of Governors of the Birla Institute of Management Technology, I admit those students who are qualified but are absent from this function to all the PGDM 2 years full-time program in absentia and charge them to prove worthy of their diploma in their lives and works. Thank you.
Sir, I present the records pertaining to the candidates who have been conferred their diplomas in this convocation for signature.
Thank you, sir. In the year 2010, BIMTech instituted the Global Management Guru Award. The jury, comprising renowned management professors and practitioners, conferred the first award on Dr. Jagdish N. Sheth, a world-renowned professor of marketing at Emory University, USA. Dr. Sheth donated the award money of Rs 5 lakhs to BIMTech to create 2 awards. BIMTech contributed an additional Rs 5 lakh to make for a Rs 10 lakh endowment for Jagdish N. Sheth Award of Rs 50,000 for Best PhD Thesis and Madhuri J. Sheth Award of Rs 25,000 each to female student toppers of PGDM and PGDM International Business. May I now request our chief guest, Mr. R.S. Sodhi, to confer the Madhuri J. Sheth Award to female toppers of PGDM and PGDM International Business, whose names would be announced by the registrar.
I have great pleasure in announcing the name of first scholar for Madhuri J. Sheth Award. She should come to receive her certificate and the cash award at the hands of our chief guest. Madhuri J. Sheth Award to female topper of PGDM 2050 batch goes to Jigyasa Gautam. The name of the second scholar will be announced in a short while. Now I request our chief guest to also kindly award certificates and medals to the students who achieved academic or all-round excellence in various programs during the academic session 2013-15. I am pleased to announce the names of students and the area of excellence achieved by them for award of certificate and medal. They are invited to receive their certificates and medals at the hands of our chief guest as their names are announced. Ms. Ritu Sharma, who has qualified for PhD degree from the University of Mysore under the guidance of Dr. Shri Prakash. Ms. Chitra Bhatia Arora, who has qualified for PhD degree from the University of Mysore under the guidance of Dr. Shri Prakash. Mr. Harsh Kumar, who has qualified for PhD degree from the University of Mysore under the guidance of Dr. Shri Prakash. Mr. Anant Jyoti Badgaiya, who has qualified for PhD degree from the Mohanlal Sukhadia University, Udaipur, under the guidance of Dr. Anshul Verma. Gold medal for securing first position in academics in postgraduate diploma in management goes to Jigyasa Gautam. Gold medal for securing first position in academics in PGDM Insurance Business Management goes to Ritika Dani. Please proceed.
Very congratulations.
Gold medal for securing first position in academics in PGDM Retail Management is awarded to Dibanshu Tripathi.
Congratulations to you.
Yeah, Dibanshu Tripathi, please proceed. Gold medal for securing first position in academics in PGDM Sustainable Development Practices goes to Shruti Singh. Please proceed. We have Dr. C.B. Gupta Memorial Medal for all-round best performance among male students of all programs, instituted in memory of BIMTEC's founder director Dr. C.B. Gupta. This medal goes to Dibanshu Tripathi of PGDM Retail Management. We have another medal, Shrimati Yashoda Jaju Memorial Medal for all-round best performance among female students of all programs, instituted in memory of Shrimati Yashoda Jaju, who was very close to the BIMTEC family. This goes to Jigyasa Gautam of PGDM program.
Congratulations for the hat-trick.
And now, special medal for securing first position in the marketing specialization has been awarded to two candidates jointly. One of them is invited now to receive special medal, again Jigyasa Gautam of PGDM program. Now is special medal for securing first position in operations specialization goes to Agyapal Singh of PGDM. Special medal for securing first position in finance specialization goes to Devanshi Patak of PGDM. Special medal, one more remaining, for securing first position in the HR specialization goes to Ritika Jain of PGDM. Now there is a special announcement. One of our student achiever, Mahima Kapoor, could not participate in today's convocation proceedings as she is currently in Washington, D.C. for the Prudential Foundation Global Citizen Scholarship Program. Mahima is the recipient of 1 award and 2 medals, and her proud parents are here to receive the medals on her behalf. I now invite Mrs. and Mr. Kapoor, parents of Mahima Kapoor, on stage to receive the medals and the award on behalf of their ward, Mahima Kapoor. Mahima Kapoor has won 2 medals and 1 award. Gold medal for securing first position. Gold medal for securing first position in academics in PGDM program, International Business Program. And special medal for securing joint first position in the marketing specialization. She also gets Madhuri J. Sheth Award to female topper of PGDM International Business Program 2015 batch. There is a cash reward of 25,000 rupees.
Dear students, as you trade in your books for corporate suits, it is time to realize the bigger roles and responsibilities that now come to you. So as a step towards that, I would request all scholars who have been conferred their diplomas to please rise to take the pledge of ethical conduct to be administered by our director.
So it was probably in 2009, 2 professors of Harvard Business School, Professor Nitin Nohria and Professor Khurana, they have thought about it, that why the management profession is not being respected worldwide for its contribution to the business and society, and they propose that let all the MBA graduating class members, they should take a pledge that they will take care of the social interest, and BIMTech has followed this good idea. It is being followed worldwide. So I would ask my dear students, are you ready to take this pledge? Yeah. But taking the pledge will not be enough. Are you ready to follow it in your life? Yeah. Then okay, I will read it. You will follow me. We solemnly pledge to conduct our business, occupation, social and personal dealings, in such a way that it would create value responsibly and ethically, so as to contribute to the common good of all stakeholders, without causing any harm or damage to the environment and the society at large. So now you are blessed by the God.
All the diploma recipients may please be seated. I now request Mr. A.K. Agarwala to announce the conclusion of BIMTech's annual convocation 2015.
I declare the convocation 2015 concluded. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. BIMTech has been fortunate to have various thought leaders share their rich experience, profound wisdom and vision with the students and faculty. Be it the convocation day like today, foundation day, commencement day, or any other important occasion, the luminaries from diversified fields of arts, culture, literature, science, spirituality, politics, media, business, cinema, civil services, etc. have always guided us. To share the experiences and views of these thought leaders with a wider audience, we have published a compendium of speeches of these eminent persons who visited the Greater Noida campus during the last decade. A special convocation issue of Vritant, BIMTech's quarterly newsletter, has also been prepared for this occasion. I would like to request our chief guest, Mr. R.S. Sodhi, Mr. A.K. Agarwala, to please release the compendium and the newsletter on this very special occasion. Thank you very much. As we come to the end of this wonderful evening, we would like to express our gratitude to our chief guest for sharing such wonderful words of wisdom with us, and I would like to request Mr. A.K. Agarwala to present a memento to our chief guest. Open it, Ritik. Please open it. Could I now request Dr. Verma to please propose the vote of thanks?
Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Rupinder Singh Sodhi, Shri A.K. Agarwala, Dr. Harivansh Chaturvedi, Dr. A. Sahai, Dr. K.C. Arora, distinguished guests, diploma recipients, parents, alumni, representatives of media, fellow faculty members, officials, and students. As we come to the end of the ceremony, it is my privilege to extend a vote of thanks to all who have made the event a great success. We are indeed very fortunate and privileged to have amongst us here today Shri Rupinder Singh Sodhi, a distinguished thinker, corporate leader, and an administrator par excellence as the chief guest. During his distinguished career, he has proven himself to be a man of action with enormous achievements. As our senior member Board of Governors, Shri A.K. Agarwala ji has mentioned in his welcome address, Shri Sodhi is an ideal role model for the young minds who are on the threshold of stepping out of the portals of the Institute and starting their journey in the corporate world. His convocation address has really been very inspiring, educative, and highly motivating. On behalf of the Institute and its Board of Governors, I deem it a unique privilege to honor. I deem it a unique honor to convey our gratitude and sincere thanks to you, sir. Shri A.K. Agarwala ji is a senior member of our Board of Governors. We seek his guidance for any developmental issues connected with the Institute. He has contributed phenomenally in the progress made by the Institute in the recent past. Indeed, under his continued guidance, BIMTech will grow further to the greater heights. I express our sincere gratitude and thanks to him for gracing this occasion with his motivating presence. I must convey our appreciation to the diploma recipients. They will now be moving to various directions in the corporate life. Today's ceremony is a momentous occasion to be remembered for a lifetime. A milestone has been achieved in their lives. It seems like overnight, young men and women have become responsible for their futures. After closing one door, countless doors have opened for them. They will propagate BIMTech's fragrance everywhere. We congratulate them and wish them best of luck and extend them our blessings. We are indeed very happy to see many guests in our midst today. I want to convey our gratitude and thanks to them for having accepted our invitation to attend this function. Parents of diploma recipients have a special place in such function. Receipt of diploma by the awards is a moment of joy, fulfillment, and pride for every parent. My special word of thanks to parents and others for their all-round support. Please allow me to express our sincere gratitude to all the representatives of the media present here for coming and covering our function. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues led by our director, who have been working tirelessly and have left no stone unturned in looking into the minutest details towards making suitable arrangements for the success of this convocation. I take this opportunity to convey sincere thanks to the faculty, officials, staff, and students of BIMTech. We thank you all for being with us this evening and for all the attention. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Could everyone please now rise for the national anthem?
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
I request all to please remain standing and allow the dignitaries and the faculty procession to leave the venue. A few important announcements. Diploma recipients of PGDM program may please move to the seminar halls on the first and second floor. The students of international business may move to Godavari classroom C6 on first floor. Students of insurance business, Ganga C5 first floor. Students of retail management, Krishna C7 first floor, and students of SDP, Kaveri, first floor. Parents, if they wish, they can also accompany their wards as the students receive their diplomas. The dinner is at 8:30, and I would request all to please join us for dinner at 8:30 at this very venue. Thank you, good night, and God bless you.